Hello everyone, this is 280 Combo saying hello from Florida. Today I would like to give you a tour of my gardens. I'm going to show you what I have and hopefully you find it interesting. Starting out with the front yard garden. In one of the videos I showed you, I just planted a row of lemongrass. Also, I have a fig that came from California. It's not doing really well because of nematodes. Moving along, this is jasmine. Usually I pick the flowers for my jasmine water. And then we have a persimmon, which is 2 years old. At the beginning, I thought I would be getting about 20 persimmons, but actually I'm only getting 3 if they stay on. So there's one right here. There is another one right there. And then here's another one. So to the right of persimmon, I have pigeon pea. This one is new to me. It gave me a lot of peas, so it tasted not too bad. It grows very aggressively. I keep cutting it back, but it continues to grow. It grows really well. It doesn't need that much water. Moving on, I have blackberries. They are from California. They gave me some berries and there are a few left. Usually blackberries have secondaries and primary. So what that means, the primary fruits this year and secondary fruits next year. So you cut off or remove the primary so that the secondary will grow better. Alright, this one is thornless, so it's really good. And then I have a cassava that I just planted. This one is about 3 months old. It's not doing that well, but it's alright. And of course you've seen my papaya trees or plants. And then I have, this is I don't know what they call. Somebody told me it's Mexican oregano or something like that. We have a name for it. We call it pig's ears. Anyway, it's useful. It's for cough. You just grind up the leaves, make it into a concentrated juice, and then you drink it. It's supposed to help with your cough. And then the next one I have is my avocado. This is Haas, 2 years old. I brought this one from California, but it's not doing that well. Until recently it started to grow better. Looks like it might even give me fruits. I don't know. There's something, maybe flowers. Moving on, have a fig right here. It's not doing well. It stays about the same for the past 2 years. And of course, bananas. This one I started with 1, and then it gave me 2 babies I put them somewhere else. I'll show you later. And right now there are about 5 more babies coming. There's one, there's another one, there's another one. Here's one more, and of course there's another one right here. Okay, I have another fig here. This one is the best one. It grows really well. Last year it gave me about 5 figs. So hopefully this year it's gonna give me more fruits. We'll see. Moving on to this side, I have cassava that can be harvested if I want to, but I'll wait until I feel like eating cassava, then I'll dig it up. And then there is a jasmine over there. It's pretty new. It's less than a year old. It's from a cutting. And here I have a kaffir lime. It's not really doing well. I don't know why. The leaves are all curly. So I trimmed back some yesterday. Kaffir lime is not useful as far as the fruit. See? It's the skin is all wrinkly. Here's another one like that. The skin is all wrinkly, and you don't eat the inside. You use the skin for cooking. Basically is the aroma that you want. So you can use the skin of the fruit, or you use the leaves. So usually in Thai cooking, Cambodian cooking, or dishes, they use these leaves. Okay, so it smells very good. You can even make kaffir lime leaf chicken. Alright, let's move on to jasmine. I just planted this one yesterday, and then another one right there. And also I planted some sweet potato, more for ground cover. As you can see, there's one right here, another one right here, there's one right here, and one right there. Okay, now let's go to my side yard garden. I have a guava right here. It's less than a year old. It's not giving me any fruits yet. I have another jasmine here. This is bird of paradise, cranberry, hibiscus, Mexican sunflower. What is this? Lemongrass, fig, cranberry, hibiscus. Okay, so cranberry hibiscus is edible. You can eat the leaves. It's a little bit sour, but it's edible. I eat it sometimes. The leaf. And here's another one. It's sour. You can put it in your salad. It'll be fine. You don't need too much vinegar in your salad. Okay, moving on, let me show you this plant. It's an interesting one. It's called katuk. It looks really nice. It's straight and it has a unique shape. See that? So this one is also edible. It contains protein, and from what I read, it also helps nursing mothers to induce milk. I don't know if that is true or not, but in Southeast Asia people eat this. So let me show you. You pick the really new leaves. This one tastes better than cranberry hibiscus. I got a bunch. It's sweet. It's tasty. I like it a lot. I put it in my banana blossom salad. There is a video that you can watch. Moving on, there is a banana tree here, another Mexican sunflower. There's a lemongrass over there, and here is a mango. I don't know, this one is really slow. It's been here probably for 6 months already. It's not growing. Over here I used to have cranberry hibiscus, and it died because it got infested with some kind of white fungus, I believe. But that one dropped some seeds, so I have a bunch of babies, so they're gonna grow really fast, and also they don't need that as much water either. This is another Mexican sunflower, and then another katuk. Now katuk, you can eat the leaves, and also you can eat the fruit. This one doesn't have fruits yet, but look, those are flowers. Isn't that pretty? So when they have fruits, I'll show you. Here's another jasmine. This one is canistel. I planted this one probably 4 or 5 months now. I bought it from a nursery. It was $125. Okay, so I see some fruits growing. It's getting bigger, so I'll do an update when it's all ripe. Right now, no, it's not ready. There are like 2-3 of them over there. So moving on, I have lemongrass, jasmine, and these are hibiscus, but they're not edible, just ornamental. All right, and I have a banana over here. This is a baby of the other one that I showed you earlier, and they all are Namwa bananas. Let me show you what's in the backyard. As you can tell, there are many pigeon peas, also some cassava. I just planted these cassavas, but they grow really well. Not sure if they already have roots that I can dig out. I need to work on the weeds over there. And then we have eggplant. This eggplant is not doing that great. It has one eggplant. I thought there were 2. There's another little one over there. All right. And of course I have a bamboo in the corner. I got it from a university food forest. And there is a Thai basil right there. And of course my sweet potatoes. This one is purple and sweet. I got it from a member of the meetup that we have over here once a month. And of course more cassava. I have some, what's that, green onions. Need to work on the weeds. They are competing with the weeds and they're doing fine, I guess. There is a lonely eggplant. Doesn't do well because there's not enough sunlight. I cannot remember what these are. I got them from the meetup. And then there is some kind of spinach something, this one. Same thing, I got it from the meetup. And of course fig, lemongrass, hibiscus. What else? Lemongrass, sweet potato, Thai basil, another cranberry hibiscus, and cassava. So I have let's go over here. I almost forgot. I have sugar apple that I planted about 4 months ago, and when I bought it, it already had 2 fruits. So that's one. Here's another one. This one looks nice. And then you see the flower. I hope it's gonna turn into a fruit, but I don't know. That's the only one. That's the only flower. Alright. I also have a lemon lime orange tree. This one I just planted about maybe 2 months ago. And there's some Thai basil. Alright, so that's all. I hope you like the tour and my gardens. In the future I will do an update on my sugar apple, canistel, and whatever else that may be interesting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share for more videos to come. Until next time, stay healthy and be happy. Bye bye.